Hey guys, welcome back to the Mad Swine Backyard Barbecue. We're in that backyard on the Mad Pit Master Ruben. So, today's video is a little different. This is a chance for me to give thanks and send acknowledgement along to Hunsaker Smokers, who is an incredible, they're just an incredible little business who cranks out 50-gallon drum smokers, competition smokers. Just, if I can say it, badass freaking smokers. Just by the look of it and the reviews I see on it and the stuff I see on YouTube, they look badass. If I was into that, that would be my first bet. I mean, the Gateway drums seems like a really close comparison, but these have their own little unique system. Even with your foot, you're able to control the ventilation on how the intake, and it's just the way they're made. They just look pretty as hell. Now, I take advantage of their accessories that they provide for the Weber Smokey Mountain. You guys know I love my WSMs, and I've already have the rib hanger accessory. Matter of fact, I love this so much I bought two just in case. And for me, I was able to hang 22 racks of ribs without using their middle accessory, which is called a Y-Var. And I was able to hang 22 racks of ribs. If I had utilized that Y-Bar, I could have easily probably hung, let's say for sure 3 more on each little bar, but probably 6 more. So I went ahead and ordered a Vortex Plate, which is a pretty cool looking device. It's basically like a diffuser put right on top of your fire ring, and it has these fins that lets smoke and air out, but it protects you from a direct heat. So when you're hanging something or you're cooking something, smoking something, the meat drippings will fall right on that plate, and in theory will just come back up and kiss your meat with some more flavor. You know what I mean? Just kind of like what it does into charcoal, but this is right on metal. But when I went ahead and ordered that, Mark, who's the owner from Hunsakers, went ahead and reached out to me through an email and just was thanking me for being a repeat customer and letting me know how he appreciates that, and that's pretty damn cool. But he also provided me with some extra Y-Bars, 2 extra Y-Bars for my 2 rib hangers that I got, which is like, you know what? Who does that? And the people who do that, we need to send out some type of acknowledgement to them and do business with them and keep that economy in that area going, because we're a big barbecue family, or a small one, and we need to look out for each other. And that's very honorable in my book. So thank you, Mark, and check this out. They sent me 2 extra replacement Y-Bars for the rib hanger. That's pretty awesome. And here's the Vortex Plate, nicely wrapped. Look at that. And this sits right on top of the fire ring in your WSM to just give you straight up indirect cooking. And these fins right here will act as flavorizer bars, or however you want to call it. When the fat drips down, hits this plate, and then just evaporates into some type of goodness smoke, some really good flavor. So I can't wait to try this out. But just wanted to show that these small businesses who take care of their customers, man, I mean, this is where it's at. This is why we got to show some love to these kind of businesses. Hunsaker Smokers. And that's Mark. Mark's the owner, and he got at me through an email just to thank me for being a repeat customer, and I thought that was pretty damn cool. Good looking out, Mark.